It's a quiet night in the pig household, and everyone is sleeping peacefully.
Is the baby coming?
Not for a few months, Pumpkin.
The playgroup. Huh?
What is that noise?
I'm sure it'll stop in a moment. See?
Oh, all right, everybody back to bed.
Oh, we'll never get to sleep with all this noise. Peppa, George, what do you say? Up for a noisy treasure hunt?
Yeah! Treasure hunt! I bet we find it in 2 seconds. 1, 2, 2.5.
Peppa and her family hunt everywhere for the noise.
I found it! Oh, never mind.
No. Aha! Oh.
But every time they think they've found it,
Gotcha! Oh.
Gah!
they hear the noise coming from somewhere else.
Aha! George!
Is it getting louder?
Aha! It must be Mark. Oops, maybe not.
Oh, let's look in the living room. Nothing here. Nope.
Aha! I've been looking for this.
Maybe in the bathroom.
Yes!
No.
Oh, dinosaur? Yes, George. Maybe it's one of our toys. Come on. We'll find you, beepy noise.
We've tried everywhere.
Except your room, Mummy.
We've been looking all night.
Peppa has realised the best way to look for the beep isn't to look at all.
I know. Let's close our eyes and open our ears instead.
But instead, to listen.
It's coming from here.
It's Mummy!
Oh, that's my fitness tracker. It beeps to tell me when I'm not getting enough sleep.
Yay! We did it! We found the mystery noise.
Well done, Team Pig. I think it's time we all went back to our beds and... or back to our bed. Everyone squeeze in.
Peppa and her family can finally go back to sleep. But now it's time to get up.
Maybe just 5 more minutes. Shh. It's okay, Evie. We'll find it.
Tonight, everyone is searching for something. Evie's toy Wack Wack has gone missing.
OK, come on, piggies. Time for bed, I think. Daddy and I will find Wack Wack.
Oh, but I want to help.
Don't worry, Wack Wack will turn up. Sometimes toys just go walkabout when we're not looking. That's all.
They do? Do you ever go walkabout, Teddy?
Peppa is trying to stay awake to see if Teddy really does go walkabout on his own.
Huh? What was that? Teddy? You do go walkabout, Teddy. But where are you off to?
I'll try our room.
I'll check downstairs. Was that you, Pickle?
Oh, Teddy's looking for Wack Wack too. Yes!
Now, all the toys are searching for Wack Wack.
Wow.
What's that noise? Oh, it was just you, Mark.
They search high and low. But there's no sign of Wack Wack anywhere. except in the last place they look. Teddy and the other toys have found Whack Whack.
Yes! Did you hear that? Oh, there's Whack Whack. What are you doing in here with all these toys?
Look, Evie, it's Whack Whack.
Teddy? But you were in the bathroom finding Whack Whack.
Ah, perhaps Teddy's whole adventure was just a lovely dream after all.
Gosh, every night with these magnets.
I just don't understand how Whack Whack got into the bath.
But then again, perhaps not.
Sometimes toys just go walkabout, Mummy.
Oh, he's playing that song again!
No, he's playing that song again.
Today, George is listening to a song called The Squash Puff Shake.
I'm glad he's found a song he likes, but...
He's been listening to it loads recently. In the car, at his audiologist appointment.
He even found a way to listen in the supermarket.
Oh, George!
I do like his dancing though, Daddy. Huh?
Oh, go George, go George. Whoops.
Uh-oh. I think Evie is a bit tired of that song, George.
No, she's just regular tired. It's past her nap time.
Can we try some new songs, George?
All music is good music after all.
Okay. Yay!
Now Peppa is showing George lots of other kinds of music.
What do you think of this, George? Big song. Tiny song. Rah! Now you can listen to this song instead of the Squash Puff Shake. No. What about this? Daddy's disco song. Ooh.
George likes this song too.
It's even dancier than the Squash Puff Shake, isn't it? No.
Ah, he doesn't like it quite as much as the Squash Puff Shake. But Peppa doesn't give up. She tries some Princess Pop,
La la la.
some jungle drums,
Nah.
and even some of Mummy Pig's meditation music.
Isn't this relaxing, George? George?
But the Squash Puff Shake is still George's favourite.
Oh, you can't just play the same song all the time, George. Oh, my song. Sorry, George. If the Squash Puff Shake is your favourite, you should listen to it. All music is good music.
Wait, what if there's a way for George to listen to his favourite song while we listen to ours?
Everyone likes different music, and that's okay. Because thanks to Daddy, everyone can listen to different music and still dance all together. Oh, or not. Today, Daddy Pig is tidying the house.
Ooh, can we play too?
Oh, sure. Let's play the Take This Up to Mummy Pig, Please game.
Is that a fun game?
Oh, yes. Anything can be fun, I promise. Oh, no! Look out!
What are you doing, Daddy?
Can't you see? It's the floor. It's lava! Team Pig, it's up to you to deliver this package to Mummy Pig. If you can get past the lava, will you help me?
Yeah! Come on, George. We can use the cushions to cross the lava. Hop! Hop!
Right. Where was I?
Hop! Hop!
Oh dear, Peppa and George have run out of cushions.
We're stuck. And the stairs are really far. Ada! Great idea, George. Hey, Mark, the floor is lava. Yes!
Now Peppa and George can ride Mark across the floor. Lava.
Oh, sounds like they're having fun, doesn't it, Evie? Oh, and so are we.
No, Mark!
Oh dear.
No.
Mark is taking Peppa and George away from the stairs and into the dining room.
Code brown, Daddy Pig. Repeat, code brown. I need that nappy bag. Quickly.
Coming, Mummy Pig. Where are those little piggies with that nappy bag?
No, Mark. The stairs. We have to get to Mummy. Hooray!
Oh dear. Mark has run out of battery.
Oh, no. What are we going to do?
There you are. Mummy Pig needs that bag.
Daddy, the lava.
Oh,
Daddy Pig, Poonami incoming.
uh-oh.
Hurry.
Coming, Pickle.
Daddy Pig.
Special delivery for Mummy.
There's the nappy bag. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mummy. The lava was very tricky, but we made it.
Where are all the things that were in the bag?
Have no fear. Daddy Pig is here. And he brings nappies, wipes, and baby cream.
Hooray!
Phew.
Peppa and George love helping with Evie, and they know that anything can be fun.
Run away! Back to the lava, George.
Well, almost anything. Today, Peppa is having a quiet afternoon to herself.
Hey, what?
But it's not very quiet in the living room.
It's very loud in here.
Pardon?
It's too noisy to read my book.
Sorry, can't hear you, Peppa. The football is very loud.
It's okay. I'll find some peace and quiet somewhere else.
Oh, yes, I love peas and carrots.
Now Peppa is looking for somewhere else for her quiet afternoon.
Hello, Peppa. Grandpa Pig and I are making a special family dinner.
That's right. And a good curry sauce needs lots of spices.
But we're making lasagna.
Whoops, Daisy.
But the kitchen is very noisy too.
It's okay. I'll just find somewhere quieter.
Oh, bye, Peppa. What about curry lasagna?
Peppa is trying to find a quiet place to read by herself.
Beep, beep.
To be or not to be? That is the question. Oh, no, it isn't. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, no, it isn't. Oh, yes, it is.
But the whole house is full of noise. Even the garden is noisy. But, oh, the dining room is nice and quiet.
This is perfect. But it could be perfect and cozy.
Yes! We are the champions!
End of the line, buddy.
You'll never catch me.
Oh, yes, I will.
Something's burning.
We should have followed my recipe.
Perfect. Peace and quiet. All to myself.
Oh dear, Peppa's quiet den is a bit too quiet. Peppa isn't having much fun on her own.
Maybe it's more fun with everyone else, even if it is a bit noisy sometimes.
Dinner's ready, everyone! Woohoo! Did you see that ludicrous display?
Little piggies.
Make way, coming through!
Wait, where's Peppa?
Is the table supposed to glow?
Oh, hi everyone. I was just looking for somewhere to read, but I got bored on my own.
Oh. Well, how about we turn this meal into a family picnic?
Hooray!
Peppa likes having time to herself.
1, 2, 3.
We did
delicious.
it!
But she loves being with her family too.
It's almost here.
Come on, almost.
Today, Daddy Pig is expecting a parcel.
Coming! Oh, oh, oh.
It's not a very big parcel.
Sorry we missed you.
It says they'll try again in, 1 to 7 business days.
I can't wait that long. It's okay. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Why don't we just go and get it?
That's genius. We can follow the van back to the warehouse. We're coming, parcel.
Daddy Pig and Peppa have arrived at the warehouse where all the parcels are kept.
This way, Peppa. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Hello, how can I help you?
Daddy's looking for a will.
Oh,
I've got a parcel to collect.
you really should try and be in when we deliver.
Well, I was.
Well, you're welcome to have a look. It'll be in the Blue Star area.
Well, where's that? Oh, we'll never find it here.
Come on, Daddy. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Good point, Peppa.
Peppa and Daddy Pig are off to search the warehouse for their parcel.
This way. Nope. This way. Back that way?
But the warehouse is very big and confusing.
Hello? Is there a person I can speak to?
Miss Rabbit! Can you help us? Oh.
Where's the real Miss Rabbit gone?
I'm here, and here, and here, and here, and here. How can we help you?
Oh,
Look, Daddy. A blue star.
aha! Well done, Peppa.
Red.
There it is. Oh, no, you don't. Follow that hook. Where there's a will,
There's a way.
Until eventually,
Stop!
Oh! I was just about to redeliver this, but I suppose I could give it to you now.
yes.
Do you have some ID?
Oh,
Here you go.
Daddy Pig finally has his parcel, and it's a book.
The Art of Patience. I've been wanting to read this for ages. 2 days at least.
Daddy Pig loves books. Everyone loves books.
Is that it? Go, Red Team! You win! Whoa!
Today it is match day, and Peppa and her family have come to watch Daddy Pig's team play.
It's half-time in the big game, and Red Team Captain Daddy Pig is here.
Daddy!
The score is 1-1. What's the plan for the second half?
We'll stick to our spread offensive formation, maintain pressure on the wingback, and stay zonal off the ball.
Right.
Oh, and always help each other when we can. Teamwork makes the dream work. Hup, 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 hup.
Teamwork makes the cream work.
And the dream work. 3 veggie pies, please.
And the second half is underway.
Oh no, the match is starting. We're going to miss it.
Don't worry, Peppa. We'll be done in a jiffy. Rush order! Grandad Dog and his team are experts at making pies, just like Daddy Pig and his team are experts at passing. In the bag!
Teamwork makes the dream work. Thank you.
And the Reds have taken the lead with a superb team goal.
Oh, come on, let's get back to our seats before we miss another one.
Wow, unmissable football. I feel sorry for anyone still hurrying back to their seats.
Mummy, look, a shortcut.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Come on, Mummy. We'll help you. Teamwork makes the dream work.
So, with a bit of bouncing, some fancy footwork,
Oh, my flyers!
and a fair bit of leaping,
Gotcha. Yeah.
They finally get back to their seats.
We did it! Teamwork makes the...
Heads up, Peppa!
Uh-oh, the ball's heading into the crowd. Superb volley from Peppa. Off Madame Gazelle.
Whoa!
A sublime scissor kick from Danny Dog. And off the safe hands of Grandad Dog. Amazing! I've never seen a team goal quite like it. Totally against the rules, of course, but still amazing.
Peppa loves watching Daddy Pig play football.
What were you saying, Peppa?
Teamwork makes the dream work.
And she might love playing it too.